Learning how to use reference by drawing royal insects.
scp-3288 are the inbred descendants of the Habsburg dynasty, and their physical conditions are a result of generational Freudian love. Due to the list of their physiological differences, I have gathered many references so I can more accurately depict these self-important family humpers. My goal is to not directly use any one reference, but to combine them together to achieve some rough potential designs for these SCP. It's important to note that being the offspring of inbreeding is the parents' fault, and the corporeal form of these SCPs aren't what make them monsters. Their targeting of the vulnerable, infatuation with maintaining pure blood, and dominion over others are their true monstrous qualities. It was common practice for royalty to keep it in the family to maintain power, and as they would believe their blood was blessed by God. Anyway, this is what I've done so far. I'm going to do one more round of sketches, and then see what we end up with.